My name's Rob Gray. I own and operate RIP Custom Guitars, Ogden, Utah. So usually what I'll do is my shop time is in the evenings, the repair shop, like 3 to 6, because everyone's at work until then. So I'll spend my mornings either doing whatever repair work I need to get caught up with, or if I'm fine on repair work, I will work out in the shop and do refinish or build stuff. Mostly electric guitars, heavy metal, pointy guitars, bright colors, neon refinishes, multi-scales, stuff like that. With the repair work, my favorite part is when someone gets a guitar and they didn't realize that guitars could play that nice. The worst part is the customers that know enough but don't know enough, where they start maybe trying to tell me how to do my job. I learned how to deal with those customers when I worked at a guitar shop that was not my own for about 5 years. That was really important in my career, was working in another shop and learning how to provide accurate and good quality customer service. I'd already been building for about 4 years on my own at home before I came to the class. I was like 15 when I built my first guitar in my garage. Senior year of high school, I had to make a decision what I was gonna do. I came here. I had a good experience. I feel like it was a big class. There was 35 in my class, I think, 34. I learned a lot. I learned about the business. You learn about doing the work, but what does that mean in the real world? What does that mean at a shop or starting your own business? It got me interested and proved and showed me that you can turn it into a career. I mean, I'm actually here because I have more questions I need answered. I'm here to take the Pickup Winding Class.
Oh, sweet, with Jason Lollar.
Yep. You know, like a forum post will only get a certain type of reply. I'll post something, I wait a day or two, I get a reply. I'm not in the same train of thought, neither is the person who's replying, and I don't know their qualifications.
You're right.
You know,
that's a good one, qualifications.
It could be a keyboard warrior.
Yeah, because you can learn a lot from the internet, but it's not always a reputable source.
No, it's
not.
Between being at the repair shop and then doing my stuff at home, builds and refinish work, it's kind of juggling, and I don't have anybody telling me how I should manage my time. There would be times where I would make mistakes in the shop and I would throw in the towel for the day, and it'd be like 2 p.m., noon. And I was getting pretty frustrated with the situation. So I think the biggest thing moving forward when you have your own shop, or if you're in that situation, is if something goes wrong, step away from whatever went wrong and ask yourself, what else can I do today to have a productive day in the shop? Get a business license and register as soon as you can, because all those parts suppliers will give you a price break, and it will make more sense to be building guitars with that kind of financial help.
That's great advice, dude. Thanks a lot, man.
Yep.
Right on cue.